Hello my dear students, I am Deepak Vanjani, फैकल्टी ऑफ फिजिक्स। स्टैंडर्ड 11 में हम बेसिकली पढ़ने वाले हैं मैकेनिक्स, ग्रेविटेशन, जनरल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ सॉलिड्स, हीट एंड थर्मोडायनेमिक्स, ऑसिलेशन एंड वेव्स के बारे में। आज मैं स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ चैप्टर नंबर 2, यूनिट्स एंड मेजरमेंट। व्हाट इज़ मेजरमेंट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, if someone asks you what is the temperature of your body, so that is nothing but measurement of temperature. मान लो कि कोई पूछ रहा है what is the speed of vehicle which is going on the road, so that is nothing but measurement. मान लो कि कोई पूछे कि आपके पास जो पेन है what is the length of that pen, then that is nothing but example of measurement. To measure any physical quantity, some reference standard is required, and that reference standard is called unit. So what is the meaning of reference standard? To measure anything, we considered some standard. In earlier times, people were habituated to measure length according to hand span, like this. Suppose here I want to measure length of this board in terms of size of this duster. So one duster, second duster, third duster, like that. So here I am considering reference standard as duster. You can consider reference standard as pen also. One pen, second pen, third pen, correct? For example, length of this board is equal to 10 pen. So here pen, that is reference standard, and 10, that is numerical value. It means length of this board is 10 times length of pen. Never use 10 pens because pen is reference standard. So we should write length of board is equal to 10 times length of one pen. So 10 pen. What is the definition of unit? In the measurement of any physical quantity, some reference standard is required. That reference standard is called unit. Okay, now what is the meaning of physical quantity? Physical quantity, quantity which can be measured is called physical quantity. Till now you have studied about too many physical quantities. For example, length, that is physical quantity. We can measure length, so length can be considered as physical quantity. In standard 9 you have studied about velocity. So velocity can be measured, so velocity can be considered as physical quantity. Acceleration, we can also measure acceleration, so acceleration can also be considered as physical quantity. मान लो कि आपको बुखार है और आप डॉक्टर के पास गए, तो डॉक्टर आपको हाथ लगा के बोलेगा कि आपका बुखार नापना पड़ेगा। मतलब क्या मैं फीवर को फिजिकल क्वांटिटी कंसीडर कर सकता हूँ? कैन वी कंसिडर फीवर एज फिजिकल क्वांटिटी? क्या फीवर को मेजर किया जा सकता है? आप सोचिए, क्या फीवर को मेजर किया जा सकता है? क्या फीवर को मैं फिजिकल क्वांटिटी कंसीडर कर सकता हूँ या नहीं कर सकता? डॉक्टर क्या बोलेगा कि हाँ, पेशेंट का बुखार नाप लो, तो पेशेंट का बुखार कितना है वो नापा जाएगा। तो क्वांटिटी विच कैन बी मेजर्ड इज कॉल्ड फिजिकल क्वांटिटी। तो आप बोलोगे हाँ सर, फीवर को मेजर किया जा सकता है, तो फीवर फिजिकल क्वांटिटी है, बट एक्चुअली फीवर इज नॉट फिजिकल क्वांटिटी। बुखार को नापा नहीं जाता है। क्या मेजर किया जाता है? बॉडी टेम्परेचर। सो टेम्परेचर इज ए फिजिकल क्वांटिटी, फीवर इज नॉट फिजिकल क्वांटिटी, टेम्परेचर इज फिजिकल क्वांटिटी। सो द क्वांटिटी विच कैन बी मेजर्ड इज कॉल्ड फिजिकल क्वांटिटी। तो किसी भी क्वांटिटी को रिप्रेजेंट करना है, मान लो किसी लेंथ मेजर की, तो सपोज लेंथ ऑफ पेन इज 10 सेंटीमीटर, तो यहाँ पे सेंटीमीटर जो है वो क्या बना? यूनिट। तो उसे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे यू से, और उसके साथ क्या है? 10, दैट इज न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू। सो any physical quantity is represented by product of numerical value and unit. Once again, Q represents physical quantity, N represents numerical value, and U represents unit. So this is the equation for physical quantity. Now for example, here if length of any object is 20 centimeter, in millimeter that length will be 200 millimeter. If I convert this length in meter, then that length will be 0.2 meter. So here you can see for different units numerical value is different. Here millimeter is the smallest unit in comparison to centimeter and meter. Millimeter is the smallest unit. So here as unit becomes small, numerical value become large. So for this smallest unit numerical value is very large, that is 200. Here meter is the biggest unit of length in comparison to millimeter and centimeter. So as unit becomes large, numerical value becomes small. तो आप देख सकते हो जहाँ पे यूनिट बड़ा है वहाँ पे न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू छोटी है, और जहाँ पे यूनिट छोटा है वहाँ पे न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू बड़ी है. बट यू कैन सी प्रोडक्ट ऑफ न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू एंड यूनिट दैट इज कांस्टेंट. मतलब देख लो अगर किसी बॉडी की लेंथ 20 सेंटीमीटर है तो मिलीमीटर में वो 200 मिलीमीटर है, 0.2 मीटर है, मतलब उसकी लेंथ चेंज हो रही नहीं है. इन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट तो सेम ही आ रहा है. 20 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 200 मिलीमीटर एंड दैट इज नथिंग बट 0.2 मीटर. सो वी कैन से दैट N1U1 इज इक्वल टू N2U2 इज इक्वल टू N3U3. So product of numerical value and unit remain constant for given physical quantity and object. Okay. Now once again we will talk about unit. Unit कैसे होना चाहिए? तो first thing, unit should be internationally accepted. कैसा यूनिट होना चाहिए? इंटरनेशनली एक्सेप्टेड. क्यों ऐसा होना चाहिए इंटरनेशनली एक्सेप्टेड? मान लो कि हम यहाँ पे लेंथ मेजर कर रहे हैं, कोई सेम ऑब्जेक्ट की लेंथ यूएसए से मेजर कर रहा है, कोई चाइना से मेजर कर रहा है, ठीक है. तो अलग अलग कंट्री वाले अगर अपना अपना अलग अलग यूनिट बनाएंगे तो कन्फ्यूज़न क्रिएट होगा. तो कोई ऐसा यूनिट डिसाइड किया जाए जो सारे कंट्रीज फॉलो करें. सो यूनिट शुड बी इंटरनेशनली एक्सेप्टेड. यूनिट शुड बी easily available. That unit should be easily available. Here length of unit we are considering centimeter, so easily we can convert it into millimeter, easily we can convert it into meter. Okay, so conversion is also possible very easily. So unit should be easily available. Next thing, there should be invariability in unit. यूनिट में इनवेरिएबिलिटी होनी चाहिए. मतलब मान लो कि जो रेफरेंस स्टैंडर्ड हम सिलेक्ट कर रहे हैं वो वेरिएबल होना चाहिए नहीं. तो क्या होगा कि वेरिएबल नहीं होना चाहिए. मान लो कि हम कोई कंसीडर कर रहे हैं, सपोज वी आर कंसीडरिंग रेफरेंस स्टैंडर्ड एज लेंथ ऑफ ट्री. देन हियर आफ्टर 5 years दैट लेंथ ऑफ ट्री विल बी डिफरेंट. मतलब समय के साथ वो यूनिट चेंज हो जाएगा, रेफरेंस स्टैंडर्ड बदल जाएगा. तो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. आज हमने जो सेंटीमीटर कंसीडर किया हुआ है 1 सेंटीमीटर, 5 साल के बाद भी 1 सेंटीमीटर उतना ही रहेगा. सो देयर शुड बी इनवेरिएबिलिटी इन यूनिट. तो ये 3 चीज़ें खास ध्यान रखेंगे यूनिट के लिए. ओके, सो दिस इज द थिंग अबाउट यूनिट एंड मेजरमेंट. नाउ वी विल स्टडी अबाउट टाइप्स ऑफ फिजिकल क्वांटिटी. फिजिकल क्वांटिटी के कौन से टाइप्स हैं? तो आइए देखते हैं फिजिकल क्वांटिटी. टोटल देयर आर 2 टाइप्स ऑफ फिजिकल क्वांटिटी, फंडामेंटल एंड डिराइव्ड. विच टाइप ऑफ क्वांटिटीज आर कॉल्ड फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटीज. फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटी की मैं बात करूं, द क्वांटिटीज विच कैन नॉट बी डिराइव्ड इन टर्म्स ऑफ अदर क्वांटिटीज आर कॉल्ड फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटी. वंस अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग द डेफिनेशन ऑफ फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटी. क्वांटिटीज विच कैन नॉट बी डिराइव्ड in terms of other physical quantities are called fundamental quantities. Length, that is fundamental physical quantity. Mass, that is fundamental physical quantity. Time, that is fundamental physical quantity. This type of physical quantities cannot be derived in terms of other physical quantities. Therefore these quantities are called fundamental physical quantities. अब बात करते हैं derived physical quantities. quantities which can be derived in terms of fundamental quantities are called physical quantity. For example, velocity. Velocity, that is nothing but displacement upon time. Displacement is kind of length, so length upon time. Length, that is fundamental physical quantity, time, that is fundamental physical quantity. So length upon time will give you velocity. So velocity can be considered as derived physical quantity. Now, for example, if we consider density, then density is equal to mass upon volume, and volume is nothing but length into breadth into height. So mass, that is fundamental physical quantity, and volume is represented in terms of fundamental physical quantity. Area, volume, these things are nothing but derived physical quantities. So density, velocity, these are the derived physical quantities. What is the meaning of derived physical quantity? Quantities which can be derived in terms of fundamental quantities are called derived physical quantities. आइए कुछ एग्जांपल लेते हैं, यूनिट्स के बारे में चर्चा कर लूँ. तो यूनिट क्या बनेगा फंडामेंटल फिजिकल क्वांटिटी का? लेंथ का यूनिट क्या बनता है? मीटर. मास केजी. यूनिट ऑफ टाइम, दैट इज सेकेंड. ओके, डिराइव्ड फिजिकल क्वांटिटी की बात करूं तो एरिया का यूनिट क्या बनेगा? लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ, दैट इज मीटर स्क्वायर. वेलोसिटी की बात करूं तो क्या बनेगा? मीटर पर सेकेंड. एक्सेलरेशन की बात करूं तो क्या बनेगा? मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. करेक्ट. सो these are the derived units because these units are derived from the fundamental units. Therefore these units are called derived units. Now we will talk about system of measurement. System of measurement. Some scientists have developed different system of measurement for different countries. There are different systems for measurement. Earlier we were using CGS system. CGS system. What does this C indicate? Centimeter. That is the unit of length. G, that is gram. That is the unit of mass. And S, that is unit of time, that is second. तो अगर हम लेंथ का यूनिट सेंटीमीटर लें, मास का यूनिट ग्राम लें और टाइम समय का यूनिट सेकंड लें तो उस सिस्टम को क्या बोला जाएगा? CGS सिस्टम. FPS सिस्टम. FPS सिस्टम की बात करूं देन दिस FPS सिस्टम इज नथिंग बट ब्रिटिश सिस्टम. मतलब काफ़ी सारे कंट्रीज थे जिनके ऊपर अंग्रेज़ों ने राज किया है. तो जहाँ जहाँ पे अंग्रेज़ों का राज था, ब्रिटिशियन का राज था, वहाँ पे ये सिस्टम फॉलो की जाती थी, FPS सिस्टम. FPS में व्हाट डज दिस F इंडिकेट? फुट, दैट इज द यूनिट ऑफ लेंथ. पाउंड, दैट इज द यूनिट ऑफ मास. एंड सेकेंड, दैट इज द यूनिट ऑफ टाइम. तो यहाँ पे लेंथ, मास और टाइम के लिए फुट, पाउंड और सेकंड का यूज़ किया जाता है. इसी वजह से इस सिस्टम को क्या बोला जाता है? FPS system. But nowadays no one is using, very few countries are using this FPS system. Even in India also we are not using FPS system because conversion is very difficult when we use FPS system. तो अभी ज़्यादातर लोग FPS system को फॉलो करते नहीं हैं. आइए देखते हैं what is MKS system. MKS system. M indicates meter, K indicates kilogram and S, that is nothing but second. तो मीटर, किलोग्राम और सेकंड. तो लेंथ का यूनिट बना मीटर, मास का यूनिट बना किलोग्राम और टाइम का यूनिट बना सेकंड. तो जब हम मीटर, किलोग्राम और सेकंड में लेंथ, मास और टाइम मेजर करेंगे तो उस सिस्टम को क्या बोला जाएगा? MKS सिस्टम. नाउ नेक्स्ट सिस्टम, दैट इज SI सिस्टम. दिस इज नथिंग बट दिस, दैट इज द एक्सटेंडेड वर्जन ऑफ MKS सिस्टम. मतलब SI सिस्टम में ये MKS तो आ ही जाने वाले हैं पर कुछ और फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटीज ऐड होने वाली हैं. इन 1971 in one conference on weights and bureau, all the countries have accepted this system SI system, System International. तो अब सारी जो कंट्रीज हैं वो किसे फॉलो करती हैं? SI सिस्टम को. इन SI सिस्टम टोटल देयर आर 7 fundamental quantities. Total there are 7 fundamental quantities, and we are going to study about that 7 fundamental quantities in detail. Okay, now we will discuss about SI system. This is called System International. In this there are 7 fundamental quantities. As I told you, this is the extended version of MKS unit. Length, mass and time are already included in SI system, and other 4 physical quantities are also added. So first, that is length. Length is a physical quantity, and SI unit of length in SI system is meter, that is meter. So in SI system we consider unit of length meter, and its symbol is small m. Mass, next quantity, that is mass. In SI system mass is measured in kilogram. Mass is measured in kilogram. So its symbol is small k g. Third physical quantity, that is time, and time is measured in second. In every system of measurement, time is measured in second, and small s is the unit. Small s is the symbol of SI unit time. Electric current. Electric current is measured in ampere. So ampere is the SI unit of electric current, and its symbol is capital A. Here why we have taken capital A? Because whenever units are named after any scientist at that time, that units are written in capital symbol. So here this unit of electric current was named after scientist Ampere, therefore here we have to take capital A. Unit of temperature, that is Kelvin. In SI system we take unit of temperature as Kelvin, and it is written as capital K. Amount of substance. Amount of substance in terms of number of molecules is MOLE, mole, and its symbol is MOL. Luminous intensity, that is the intensity of source light, that is measured in candela, and its symbol is CD. So these are the 7 fundamental quantities in SI system. There are 2 more physical quantities which are dimensionless physical quantities. That units are called supplementary units. First, that is plane angle, and second, that is solid angle. Now we will study about plane angle and solid angle in detail. Plane angle theta. For example, we can consider one circle, and this is the part of the circle. This is arc, and this arc subtends an angle theta with the center of circle, and we are interested in plane angle theta. So formula of plane angle theta is length of arc upon radius. Length of arc upon radius. So from figure it is clear that length of arc, that is S, and radius of the circle, if we consider this as a circle, then this is the center of circle, this is arc, and this is the radius of circle. So length of arc, that is S, radius of the circle, that is R. So using this formula we can find plane angle theta in SI unit. So plane angle theta is measured in radian in SI unit. SI unit of angle theta is radian, and its symbol is RAD, rad. Okay. Till now you have measured this plane angle theta in degree, but in SI unit we measure plane angle theta in radian. So what is the relation between degree and radian. Let us find the relation between degree and radian. So let me consider one circle. So this is nothing but complete arc, and when we come back to the same point in circle, at that time angle traversed is theta is equal to 360 degree. So in degree, plane angle theta is equal to 360 degree for complete circle. But in radian, if you want to find this plane angle theta, then according to this formula, plane angle theta is equal to length of arc. So what is the length of arc for complete circle? That is circumference 2 pi r upon radius, that is small r. R will get cancelled. So what will remain? Plane angle theta is equal to 2 pi radian. So here we can write 360 degree is equal to 2 pi radian. 360 degree is equal to 2 pi radian, because for complete circle angle travelled is 360 degree, and in radian that is 2 pi radian. So 1 degree is equal to what? So 1 degree is equal to 2 pi upon 360 radian. 2 180 is 360, so it can be written as pi upon 180 radian. So 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. So this way we can convert degree into radian or radian into degree using this concept. So this is nothing but plane angle theta. Please remember this formula: plane angle theta is equal to length of arc upon radius. This is an important formula because this thing we are going to use later on in theory. Now next, that is solid angle. Solid angle is represented by symbol omega. This symbol is called omega. If we consider one sphere, and if sphere is cut, suppose this much area of the sphere is cut, and that area subtends an angle omega with the center of sphere, then formula of solid angle is nothing but solid angle is equal to intercepted area upon square of radius. What is the intercepted area? This is the area of sphere that I have taken A, upon square of radius, that is r square, and unit of solid angle is St-radian in SI system, and it is denoted by small s small r, SR. So St-radian is the unit of solid angle. So this way we can find solid angle and plane angle using these formulas. For solid angle, formula is area upon intercepted area upon square of radius, and for plane angle the formula is length of arc upon radius. And the relation between degree and radian is also important because that relation we are going to use in too many examples. So that relation also you have to remember. Thank you.